So here is an art review on Scottie Young's I Hate Fairyland, and this is the first volume, volume 1, Madly Ever After. Now, if you don't know about Scottie Young is one of my favorite artists. And Scottie Young, if you're watching this, hey, send me a message or something sometime. I would love to talk to you about your amazing artwork. But so this is I Hate Fairyland, and it just is amazing. I love this style. It's kind of a creepy, cute style. And I just want to kind of do a quick art review of this book like I do on this channel. So to tell you, first of all, this book is not appropriate for all students. So this is probably not a book you would have little kids read, but the art style of this book is just amazing. I mean, look at his lines. I feel like he's somewhat inspired by Tim Burton, but it is clean. He has some clean line work, thick line work, very much tons of line width variation, and the colors are great too. The characters are just exaggerated in the right areas. Now, hate to tell you this, I haven't read the story, so I don't read too many comic books for their story or graphic novels for their story. I did The Walking Dead, but besides for that, I just kind of, and Mouse. But besides for that, I just like to look at them, to be inspired, to create artwork, to create my own stories. So that's what I'm using this for, is just to be able to learn to be a better artist. And in my opinion, emulating Scottie Young is a great way to become a better artist. So this is one that I highly suggest to pick up if you like this style. A cartoony, kind of over-exaggerated, great line work with tons of line width variation. I'm not for sure, but I'm pretty sure he uses some sort of brush pen. Actually, I'm pretty positive he uses a brush pen for his work. And I'm just going to flip through every page so you guys can get a quick glance at this, so you know whether or not you want to actually purchase this book or not. But I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you my recommendation that this is one to purchase. I've purchased volume 1 and volume 2, along with a lot of other graphic novels and comics by Scottie Young. He does have a YouTube channel, or at least he used to, where he draws and shows you his process. And he's a pretty cool guy. I really hope to meet him someday at a WonderCon or a Comic Con, since I'm out of California, and there's a lot of those here, especially Comic Con is in San Diego, California. So, but on this channel, we like to flip through every page just so you know what you are getting before you purchase an art book or a book that has art in it, because as you know, art books are rather expensive, and you should be able to see what you're purchasing before you order it or buy it. So there it is, volume 1. Oh, I love these even too. Look at that. Look at that style. It's a pretty thick comic. If I don't know what to draw, I just literally open this up sometimes and just start drawing some of these characters. Helps with art block and helps kind of get you drawing in a neat style and a creative style. I don't know how many times I've drawn that character when I've had some sort of art block and I didn't know what to draw, or I was just too tired to think about what to draw. Open up this book and start drawing some of these characters. So highly recommend. I'll go ahead and put an affiliate link in the description below so you can get this at a good price. And hey, we'll catch you next time at Terry Tripp Art.